In today's video, I'll show you on how you'd be able to download Windows 10 ISO from IDM. So let's get started. So here we are in our browser right here. So you just need to go into your browser and go into Google and search for Windows 10 ISO or ISO file. Now from here, you want to go into the first link, which is this one. Make sure it's from Microsoft. And once you're here, as you can see, we don't have the download option yet for the ISO file, but don't worry, we have a work around it. So if you only have this option, then just follow the next steps. Now, what you need to do is to press F12 on your keyboard to open up developer tools. But if you don't have that, if you can't press your F12 for some reason, then you can click here and then go into more tools and then developer tools. Same thing, okay? Now, next is that you want to click here on the three dots. And now you would want to go into more tools. And from here, you want to go into network conditions. Once you're here, you want to go and uncheck the use browser default. And then you'd want to go into custom. And from here, you want to go for Chrome OS. And then once you're done with that, you want to restart your page right here or the website right here. Click on refresh. And then as you can see, we now have a different option. And from here, we will now be able to select the options for our ISO file for Windows 10. Now from here, you want to select an edition. So Windows 10, confirm, and just wait for that and just follow the on-screen instructions. And from here, you can select the product page. And from here, you can choose the language. I'm just going to go for English, International, click on confirm. And then after that, it will now be able to proceed into downloading your ISO file right here. So now you can select if you'd want a 64-bit or 32-bit. I'm just going to select 64-bit. And as you can see, it is now cached from my IDM right here. So basically, the only thing that's left in here, or before you start doing this in downloading your ISO file, you want to make sure first that your IDM is already connected into your browser so that it would catch all the downloadables on your browser. So for example, here in my extension, I have my IDM integration module enabled. That is why it is redirected to IDM. So if you don't know how to, you can enable this or install this on your browser. Then you can watch my other tutorial regarding this one because this is a whole other topic. So yeah, that's it for my video on how you can download Windows 10 ISO file from IDM. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.